Hey guys, it's me Anastasia. Look what I just picked up from post office. I'm so excited. It's new set of markers. Yay! Let's open the package. You know, half markers from my old set got dried and some of them ran out of ink, so I had to get a new set. And it's finally here. Shanghai art store from Aliexpress kindly offered me to send this set of markers for review. And this video is not sponsored, just my fair opinion. And yes, it's TouchFive Markers again, but now it's 60 landscape design set. Why I chose this set? Because it have a lot of grays and brown shades, which I lacked in animation set. Whoa, Touch new package? The seller told me that the TouchFive Markers comes in this Touch new bag, but I think that's not a big deal. Let's open it. I love how new markers look. And yay, I already see a little gift. This pink shaded black marker. This is interesting. And this cute Touch new black liner, 0.5 size. And also I've got this white jelly roll pen. These markers looks very cool in bag, but let's try them on paper. There are many different hues of gray. Blue grays, green grays, warm grays, and cool grays. Whoa, it's awesome! This will make drawing shadows much easier. You can see how pretty the shades are. And now let's test brown shades. Some of them too dark, I definitely won't use them. Here's all red, pinkish and orangey colors. My favorite hues of all times, number 7 Cosmos and 25 Salmon Pink. This set includes only 3 yellow shades and one of them turns out very greenish. But it have a lot of turquoise and green shades that it's awesome. And here's a last but not least few blue and purple shades. Oh, and I totally forgot about this black bonus marker. Also, the white jelly roll pen has pretty nice quality and I definitely going to use it. And this tiny liner turns out alcohol marker resistant, it's almost not bleeding. And now I'm finally going to do some coloring with these markers. I already did a sketch, then I did inking, so let's do it! I decided to draw cute modern schoolgirls and use as many hues as I can. And now, while I'm coloring, I want to say some words about these markers. Some basic information that you may already know, but if you don't, it could be useful for you. These markers are alcohol-based, they are not refillable, they have 2 nibs, bullet and chisel nib. The hue list of TouchFive markers, at least names and numbers of colors, are similar to Touch markers, Touch New and Ohuhu, and maybe some more. Some colors don't match their marker caps, so better do swatches before use. They are very cheap and have good quality. And what I noticed, the markers from this set blends better than markers from my first set. But really, I had that set for 2 years or maybe even more, and since then I believe the quality of inks improved a lot. What I also have noticed that some of TouchFive Markers shades from different sellers that have similar numbers can be slightly different. For example, number 49 pastel green in this set is really greenish, but in my previous set it was closer to pastel yellow shade and has nothing in common with green. Probably I should do some comparisons of some colors from the different sellers and do some drawing examples, but it will be in one of my future videos. By the way guys, Shanghai art store that was so kind to send me these markers also provides a discount code for all my subscribers, VIP Club. It will give you from 5 to 15% discount for any purchase, depends on what you will buy. I will put the link to shop and directly to this product to description box below, so go check it out if you're interested. What else I can say about this product? I like almost all hues, especially this bunch of grays. Some of dark shades like first wine red or 51 dark green I probably won't use at all, because you know they're too dark for me, I love pastel shades more. And that's it for now. I think I'll stop talking. Please enjoy watching me coloring these cute schoolgirls. I hope this review will be useful for someone. And thank you for watching, guys. Love you. See you next time. Bye bye.